Welcome back everyone to the wealthXproject channel. My name is Michael. Today is Crypto Friday and today I'm going to answer the question, what is the best cryptocurrency to invest in right now? So make sure to stick till the end, and if this is your first time, know that on this channel you can actually learn how to make money online and build long-term wealth and short-term passive income. So if you like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss any other videos. And other than that, let's get started. So today I really want to answer this question, what is the cryptocurrency, the best cryptocurrency to invest in right now? And in order to answer this question, we need to look at this specific chart, and that is called Bitcoin dominance. What this chart is telling us is basically whether we are leaning towards an altcoin season or a Bitcoin season. And what the heck does that mean? Well, it means simply that if Bitcoin is outperforming other coins, whether it's a coin or token, on average, Bitcoin is going to perform much better than the other cryptocurrency. Okay, so in other words, if the entire market is dropping and the Bitcoin dominance is high, okay, meaning Bitcoin has a much more share in the market, that means that Bitcoin is going to lose less value than the other coins, okay? And the opposite is true as well. If Bitcoin dominance is low, then that means that overall the altcoins, so all the other coins on the markets, all the coins and tokens, are going to perform better than Bitcoin, which basically means that if the market is falling, then the Bitcoin will actually lose more value than the other coins, okay? And likewise, if the market is going up and the Bitcoin dominance is high, then that means that Bitcoin is actually going to increase in value much faster than all the other coins on average, okay? And likewise, if Bitcoin dominance is low, then that means that all the other coins and tokens on average will outperform Bitcoin in terms of the value moving up, basically, if it makes sense. So let's take a closer look at this chart. As you can see, we had Bitcoin in this sort of area here, okay? So Bitcoin dominance was about 70%. That was the all-time high, I believe. Doesn't really matter, but that means that around this area, Bitcoin was performing way better than all the other coins and tokens on average. Again, okay, there are always some exceptions. Then something happened and we entered what it's called the altcoin season. And as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance were actually dropping here to the level of about 40%. And during that period of time, which was pretty much from 2021 January to about May, within that period, all the other altcoins were performing super well if compared to Bitcoin. Okay, so that's super important. But then Bitcoin hit its support line somewhere around here, and it's been kind of going sideways. Okay, so within that period, obviously Bitcoin was outperforming all the other coins on average, and the opposite was true within that period. Then again, and we sort of entered this descending triangle. Okay, and what happened here, which was May 2022, roughly, Bitcoin actually broke out of this triangle and it broke to the upside, meaning that right now, on average, Bitcoin is outperforming all the other altcoins and tokens, okay? Which basically means if the market is dropping, then Bitcoin will drop less in value in comparison to other coins. Likewise, if we from now on we have a bull run, then while the Bitcoin dominance is rising, then that means that Bitcoin will rise in value more, again on average, than all the other coins and tokens. So right now, since the Bitcoin dominance is almost 50% of the market, that means that the best cryptocurrency to invest in right now would be Bitcoin, simply because if the market is falling or is rising, then that means Bitcoin will gain the most or lose the least, if it makes sense. Okay, now I highly recommend investigating one of my previous videos. I think that was the last one I uploaded, simply because within this video I'm going over the strategy where you can actually buy some of the Bitcoin, because you know the Bitcoin price is like 30,000 US dollars, at least at the time of recording the video. So you know, if you have like 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000 to invest, for example, and you want to get on board with cryptocurrency, you want to start investing and building your long-term wealth, then that's great, that's fine. However, how much of the Bitcoin you will be able to buy? 1/10 of it, potentially with 3,000 US dollars, something like that. However, using DeFi, using platforms in DeFi, okay, you can, and using your employment income as well, you can actually create a strategy where you can triple your money without actually trading your Bitcoin. Okay, so you can actually take the 3,000 and make 9,000 out of it using DeFi, okay, using leverage in DeFi, and that is not trading, okay, because trading is completely different. Likewise, having an income only, if you don't even have anything, any savings, but you want to get on, and you understand the fact that if you are keeping cash or even if you are investing in properties or something like that, you are simply losing money because the inflation is higher than what the rents are paying right now. Likewise, if you invest in property and you count on it doubling its value, property will double its value sort of within the 10-year period. Okay, now within a 10-year period, Bitcoin on the other hand will actually 20x its value. Okay, or more. It's due to go to 1 million in the next few years, maybe next 10 years or so, by 2030. Those are the predictions. Okay, so those are the decisions you have to make for yourself, but definitely speaking from what I can see, it is definitely worth investing in Bitcoin right now, and not only buying and holding Bitcoin, but using that Bitcoin to leverage it, to leverage your holdings, to build that long-term wealth and short-term passive income. That's going to be your appreciating assets. You're going to hold this for the longer term, and also you will be able to leverage your holdings, okay, up to 3 times and even more, instead of just spending that income. So make sure to go over my video. If you have any comments, please do post them below, and I will make sure to go through those comments and answer your questions if you have any. And also make sure to like that video, simply because it helps the channel, it helps discover those videos, and it helps to encourage the free content I am doing for you. Okay, and other than that, that is all I have to say for this video. Make sure to check out my other videos, and other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.